All right, getting the bikes loaded up here on the trailer. It'll be the wife's first time on her TTR 125 on the dirt. Just picked this up the other week. Should be fun, much lighter than her TW. So let's get these babies loaded on up and then we'll get out there. It's a nice day today. All right, got them all loaded up on the trailer there. Now we're just gonna head out. Okay, so we just got out here. Bikes are warming up. It's much colder today than it was the last time we came out here. What do you think? Excited. Yeah? Okay, so we're just out now and Tiana's on her TTR 125 and we're just getting used to it, the feel of it, and she's getting used to her new boots too. Simon's riding behind her and giving her pointers. But so far so good. It's a nice day out here right now. Just pick a good line, give it some gas, keep out of the rocks. Yeah, good line, perfect. Stay up on the high side there. Yeah, nice. Damn, that was good. All right, what do you think?
Love it. It feels way more like I'm riding a bike, not a bike just taking for a ride.
That's good. More balanced, lighter.
Yeah, way more balanced, a lot lighter. I feel like I can actually take the corners rather than just slowly cruise through them.
Yeah, good.
The suspension's way better.
Yeah.
I'm staying for a lot longer on this. It's fine.
It's so small. Alright, we just stopped halfway point basically, and we're gonna turn around from here and head back. The sun's getting low. Got this awesome view right behind us here. It's one of my favorite spots to come ride when we're out here. How you liking the bike?
I love it. It's amazing.
Good.
So much better.
Awesome. Good?
Yeah, that was great. I want to come back tomorrow.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You liking your bike?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Is it easier than the TW?
Yeah, it just feels like what I imagine mountain biking is like.
Yeah, more nimble.
Yeah, I just feel like I'm in control and
Right.
I don't know how to describe it. It's just more comfortable. The suspension's way better.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm riding a tractor
Right.
out there. I'm actually riding something meant to be ridden out there.
All right, that's that. We're heading home now. It's cold, it's dark, and we've got places to be and people to see. So, catch you guys in the next video.